Hey guys, video off, air conditioner off. It's Andrew. Haven't seen you guys in a while. And I wanted to do just a quick video on my way to church. Horrible sound you hear is the wiper motor in this new Jeep. So by way of update, I've actually had a couple guys that I know personally ask me, and I think it's awesome. I had a few videos talking about weight loss and that sort of thing, and since Christmas I am 20 pounds down. I was 24 pounds down, but I got involved in something called an Alaska cruise. So because of that, you kind of eat more than you should, and I gave it a week after the cruise to see where I equalized out at, and yeah, I'm at 187 down from 207. So not super bad. You might have noticed channel name change. The old channel name was around the Scout that I had, and that has been sold. And the reason that I sold it is I got tired of the dreams and the, someday when. And I'm a really big believer that we should make plans and goals, but don't sacrifice today for tomorrow. So don't sacrifice adventures and dreams and goals and plans and the things that you want to do. Don't keep putting them off for too long. It's just not healthy. So sold the Scout. I'd been putting away money to do a drivetrain refresh on that, and I took that money and we bought a Jeep. So you saw in the intro, I now have a 2012 Jeep Rubicon. It is a 4-door, which was done purposely, for family and stuff like that. And the Scout is gone. I'm a little bit sad. Here's a picture of Jace almost crying as we got it ready to go. But that is, change is part of life. So it's kind of funny. He wasn't thrilled about the color. This Jeep is very much orange. But I told Jace when we bought this, or when I was going to buy it, that he was welcome to drive it. And I don't want to be that dad that's so protective of their stuff. They're a cool car, their rig, their thing, that their kids don't get to enjoy it too. So Jace is, he's grabbing it when he goes to youth group or whatever. And so I think that's great. Ellie drove it the other day also. She's, of course, everything different. She's 14, so anytime something's different, then she's not sure, but she enjoyed it. She's always liked the Jeeps. But I have been ducked by my wife, and if you don't know what that is, it's a Jeep thing. There's the wipers, sorry. Anyhow, soft top's on for now. Keep the doors off as much as I can, and change the channel 406 Coopers. That's us. It's the old MT binder. And I also have some cool stuff up and coming. We'll see if I have time to film it. But we've got a canopy for the Tundra that's going to go on. This will be built as a bit of a car camping, overlanding type rig. Got bumpers and a bunch of other stuff coming for it. But anyhow, I just wanted to say that. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Channel probably won't change much. Probably won't ever be anything posted on it, but that's okay. Thanks for watching. God bless.